guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me on this try on haul. So if you guys know, last video was part 1 of my statement try on haul pieces that I actually took with me on vacation when I went from October 18th to the 25th. So this video is going to be the next 3 statement pieces that I actually wore. Actually, I didn't wear. Correction. One of them I wore. 2 of them I wanted to wear, but we really didn't go anywhere. I ended up just relaxing, so I didn't end up wearing them. So I will find somewhere else to wear them. Trust me. So let's get right into it. Okay, guys. So as you guys know from my intro, it is 3 more pieces that I actually wore on my trip. I'm actually going to show you what I paired them with, and of course, 2 of the outfits, like I said, I didn't get a chance to wear, so I'm just going to show you guys what they were, how they fit on me, and of course, what like I said, we all have a go-to shoes. So last video, I just want to show you guys, So last video, I discussed that every trip we all need a go-to pair of shoes. So these are my go-to pair of shoes. So just to let you guys know, I actually did not wear them. 2 of the outfits I didn't wear, and the 1 outfit I did wear, I didn't wear these with them. But I'm going to show you the shoes that I wore with them. So these are my go-to shoes for any outfit. So I would have worn them if I wore the 2 outfits that I didn't wear. But yes, my go-to shoes. And being that we were walking around the hotel, like in terms of in our hotel room. And of course, when I went to my in-laws, we were walking around the house. It's always cute to have a cute little pair of slippers that you can wear anywhere around the house. So these are my cute little slippers. Now, I love the color teal. This is not teal, but it's a lighter version, more like a little mintish kind of greenish color. And I thought these were super cute, and I did end up wearing them. They were so comfortable. I loved them. I loved them a lot. They were the cutest little pairs of shoes, and I ended up wearing them everywhere. It's my thing. Right, so I'm gonna dive right into the first outfit, and this is the outfit that I actually did wear, and I wore it on a day out with my mother-in-law. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so this was one of the outfits that I wore. It was an outfit that I wore on a day out with my mother-in-law. So it was something that I thought was comfortable, relaxing, not too hot, but at the same time comfortable. And actually the weather over there was perfect. When I mean perfect, it was like in the 70s. So I had this cute little sweater dress on, very relaxing, very soft. I loved everything about it. Like I said, one of the things that we always have to carry is a little go-to purse. So what y'all think I did? Have my go-to purse. So this was my little go-to purse, and it matched the dress perfectly. You understand? You could throw it on the side. You could throw it on over like a little. You understand? So this was me. And the shoes I ended up wearing was a nice little flat shoe that I also got from Shoe Dazzle. Right, so eventually I'll do a little try on haul with Shoe Dazzle. I got some stuff that I have to get from there, so I will do a try on haul with that when that time comes. So this was the shoes that I wore. I thought the gold shoes went perfect with it. It wasn't too much, but at the same time, it kind of went with the fact that I had on the little gold. The bag had a little gold chain, and it kind of spruced up the outfit a little bit. Of course, I had a little jewelry that I wore with it. I don't remember. I honestly don't remember. But yes. So this was the sweater dress that I wore. Right? Yes. Right, so as you guys can see, right, so this was the sweater dress that I wore. Right, with the cute shoes. All right. Yes. All right, so this is outfit number 1. So now the next 2 outfits that I am going to try on, I did not get to wear them. And I'm going to give you a joke about one of them, which is the one I'm going to try on next. And then, yeah, so let's get into it. All right, guys, so this was the next outfit that I carried with me. Don't laugh. Right, so this outfit, oh my gosh, I loved this outfit. I did not get to wear it because there was nowhere for me to go for me to wear it. And I'm going to give you guys a joke. My husband did not like this outfit. He doesn't like this outfit for some reason. I like it. I like it. I'm going to find a way to wear it. Probably would not with him because he doesn't like it. But if I go out with a night with the girls and I want something cute to wear, I'm going to throw this on. I'm going to throw this on. I thought this was cute. I thought it was different, out of the ordinary. I love the teal in it. I love the cheater in it. That's what I liked about it. I really, really like this outfit. It was such a cute outfit. Look at the slit in the back. I thought it was so cute, and I did like it's like the little off-the-shoulder crop top, kind of relaxed, comfortable fit. And guess what, guys? The shoes match and the go-to purse. So even if I got a chance to wear it, tell you guys, get a go-to purse that you know is gonna match with anything. So this was outfit number 2. Let me know what you guys think, right? Let me know what you guys think. And like I said, guys, I did not get a chance to wear this outfit, so I will find somewhere else to wear it. And I will find a reason to. Right? I love it. Tell me you guys don't like this outfit. Oh my God. You guys can be honest with me. It's all right. If you guys don't like it, it's okay. Alright, so this was outfit number 2, and like it matched with my purse. And the go-to shoes. The go-to shoes, guys. The go-to shoes. Alright. So now I'm gonna try last and final outfit number 3. Another outfit that I did not get a chance to wear, but I will find a reason to wear it, and I will find somewhere to wear it too. Right? So get ready. I'm joking. Alright, so let me try it on. Alright guys, so this was outfit number 3. So this, as you can see, is a little 3-piece, baby. Little 3-piece. So you got the pants, you got the top, the little top that goes with it, and you got the cape. Right, so what I liked about this outfit, like I said, you can take it out to dinner. You can go for a nice, stroll. You can go for an outing. It's like a multi-use kind of outfit. I did not get to wear it, right? And like I said, what did it pair with? It paired with my heels, and it also paired with my purse. I didn't bring it over this, but it paired with my purse, right? So come on. You can't go wrong with an outfit like this, guys. You can't. You can't. Look at it. You got the nice little cape going on here. You can't go wrong with it. Come on, guys. Come on. Tell me this is not another nice outfit. This was outfit number 3. So, there were a couple honestly, guys, there were other couple outfits that I did have that I wore, but I actually showed you guys in previous try-on hauls. So I'm actually going to ding a couple of those try-on hauls so that way you guys can actually check them out yourself and everything like that. But yeah, I mean, come on. Come on, this is really nice. So that, you guys can see, like, this, like I said, it paired with the heels, paired with the same heels, and it paired with the purse. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. That is part 2 of my try on haul for my vacation, guys. Yeah, I did have like other smaller outfits that I did end up wearing, but like I said, they were part of try on hauls that I've showed you guys previously, so I found reasons to wear them, of course, right? So that is all for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, decide, guys, which outfit did you like? Did you like number one, the sweater dress, the basic casual sweater dress that appeared really, with like a nice little day out, a nice stroll? Did you like the combo that I had going on there with the cheetah and the teal and the mustard? Come on, guys, you can. Or did you like this three-piece set right here? The pants, the crop top, and this. Let me know what you guys liked in the comments. I would love to hear you guys' feedback. Oh my goodness, you guys are the greatest. Thank you so much for watching. You are awesome. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if, of course, so you guys can get notified when I post more videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.